We got high roof transit here we're gonna fit screens on. Right here is a cutaway of the actual door gasket area itself on a ProMaster van, and I just cut this off for an example. Here's the gasket. This is where the door seals. This is the inside of the van. Here's your loop stick-on, and here's your 3-inch on that model. Comes with 3-inch hook. I just overlap the end just a little bit, and then you slide it back on the gasket, just like that. And this is the inside of the van. That folds out, and your screen sticks right to that. Here's your hook material. Now, if it has an interior panel, there's a little flap there, and the plastic panel goes in there, and that's what's left. And you stick your screen to this, and it stays on there the entire life of the van. You can easily stick your screen on and easily remove it. At the radiuses, like at the top of the corners here, just cut a couple slits in the hook in this material here to get it to lay flat, and then you stick your Velcro there. At the top of the door gasket, around the latches, you'll have to cut a couple slits. We have a wider piece right there. Or if it's a zipper screen, it has the frame on it, you just cut a couple slits in the frame, and it sits over the latches. And I'll show you that later. But right now, I'm just going on Velcro under the gasket. Like I said, on this van, you just remove this. Your loop goes here, your hook goes over top of it, and the hook sticks out the back, and you would bend it this way and stick the screen to it.